back with another makeup tutorial. First, we're going to moisturize our face. This is the MAC. Let it focus. Okay, yeah, it's the MAC Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm. And I just got the mini one just to test it out to see if I'm going to like it. It has a slight little fragrance to it, but nothing too serious. Now I'm going to go in with this unseen screen, because all my other sunscreens are like glowy, and sometimes I don't be looking for that, so, and I do want to protect my skin, so I'm just going to go in with this unseen screen by Supergoop. Alright. Okay, we got a little frizz, this little bump right here, so we're going to color correct. And I'm going in with this e.l.f. and this is in the shade orange. And we're just going to color correct right here. I'm just going to take my finger and tap this out. Okay, and then I'm just going to do a little bit right here underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to take my finger and tap that out as well. Usually people just set it with a powder, but we're going to go straight on top of this. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. primer. This one leaves a good dewy base to your skin. And we love dewy over here on this channel, because I do have dry skin if you're new to my channel. And we're also I have been using the Rare Beauty. This is a blur primer. And we're just going to use that right there. I don't even need a lot. Use that right here where I want it to be blurred out at. Alright y'all, I have a gender reveal coming up, and I need to find a foundation that I'm going to wear to it. So we're going to take it back and we're going to try this Ambient, what is this? This is the Ambient Soft Glow by Hourglass. I have mine in 14.5, and we're going to try this out because I don't remember how this foundation wore. So we're going to try it out and see which foundation can be a good runner-up for Saturday. Because today is Saturday, but next Saturday on the 25th, I have a gender reveal to go to my sister-in-law. So I'm trying to find a nice foundation that's going to be having my face sitting real good, just flawless. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this flat top brush by BH Cosmetics, and we're just pressing this foundation into the skin. Y'all, I think this is gonna be the last little cold front in Georgia, because it has been so bipolar. So yeah, I think this is the last of the cold front, and hopefully we can get some nice warm weather. Okay, so this is how the foundation is looking with the moisturizer, sunscreen, and primer underneath it. How we looking? Okay, next we're gonna go in with this Milk makeup. This is a sculpt stick in shimmer. And I don't know if I want to get the other one. I'm debating. Like, I look at it and be like, ooh, it's too dark. Ooh, it's too dark. But it's like, I think I can make it work. Because this one is just like the right amount of bronziness, I must say. Okay, and then we are going to go in with this Givenchy Prisme Libre and N385. And we're going to, I don't remember how this wore either, so we're going to try her out. I haven't been on YouTube since I've been in training to get my CDL, and girl, it has been a lot. Why does this keep going in and out? Okay, concealer is on. We're gonna blend out this bronzer first, pressing it upwards. That's how I like mine. And on the forehead is going downward. Next, I'm just going to take this e.l.f. sponge and we're going to blend out this concealer. Okay, concealer and bronzer is all blended out, y'all. We're gonna go in with this Primadonna by Danessa Myricks. I've been loving. But I got a new blush. I did go ahead and get this Haus blush in Watermelon Bliss. And we're gonna be applying her today. Look at the packaging, it is so cute. It's a mirror. Oh, okay, that's cute. And this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this cream product, and then we're gonna apply the blush after I set everything down. I'm just using my fingers to place it, and then the spotted blush will have something to stick onto. And I'm going upwards as I apply this product. I'm gonna go in with the one size powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. We're gonna go in with the Haus's Labs in level 11, and we're just going to bronze the face. Okay, so we're about to go in with the Haus's Lab. This is Watermelon Bliss. And we're just going to take it. Ooh. This is so pigmented and so pretty. A little bit goes a long way. So so cute. I will be wearing this blush all summer, and I might pick up another one. This was $38, I think. So yeah, so y'all should definitely try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with the MAC Fix Plus powder. Okay, I did pick up a new lip liner. This is Refy and Sepia. And we're gonna apply this to the lips. This is a dark brown. And I heard you can just apply this gloss over it, so right over it, and it's supposed to help it stay. I'm just gonna add, this is Milk and Honey from NYX. I'm just gonna add that. So now we're gonna go ahead and set the face with the all-nighter spray. Okay, so I did go in with the Ambient Soft Glow Foundation along with the Givenchy Prisme Libre Skin Caring Concealer. Then I went in with the new Milk Contour Stick. Re-primed the face with the e.l.f. primer. This is one of my favorite primers right now. We used the e.l.f. color corrector. And I went in with these two blushes, and look at my cheeks. Look at my cheeks. They look so good. So y'all should definitely try this out. I will be wearing this because this color goes with the pants I'm going to be wearing to the gender reveal. So that blush is cute. Real cute. Thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.